You don't know nothing about that name. You don't know nothing about that. Don't be doing that. Hey, how you doing, Miss Lady? See that? How you doing? What's up, baby? Yeah, she get up. Yeah. I ain't know I parked in the road. Let me drive your truck. I thought I made it up here on time. Let me go ahead and make a pudding.
Well, they don't like to low. They stay TTG. They trained to go. Every last one of them.
Oh, yeah?
Most of this one right here. What? Oh my gosh! Don't put me on that.
Don't worry about it. You ain't got no choice but to be
Don't
honest.
put me on that. Oh, you people on my shirt.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What? To be the boss, gotta have the mindset like a boss. You hear me? And be him, gotta have that mindset like you're him. And to have that motherfucking money on, you just gotta have that money on. Come on, that nigga ass, boy. That nigga don't call nobody. That nigga don't tap in or nothing. Oh, talk about us? We twins, nigga. We twins, nigga. Okay. We twins, cuz. We twins. Hold on, hold on. That's my twin right there. That's twin. And that's the other one. He just pulled up. That's the third one. That's the third. Man? You don't call, you don't write no postcard, no nothing.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Man, wanna rain.
Ain't it? I'm doing that all day.
Every function must have dope. Oh, they went all the way around. What's up, boy? You see, I've been tearing them up. Nephew? What my nephew done met anyway? What they mama? Little bro. It's the littlest bro.
Yeah, somebody go to the bathroom.
Stinking ass. Man, Bal be getting into it like Martin and Pam and everything. That my little nigga though. I be calling her my little brother. You gotta get it together, my boy. You gotta get it together. This is a squad. Big bro. I was like, damn, Chad, that's your car, but that ain't yours. I bet. Wah, wah, wah. Hey, Babs.
What's up?
Hey.
I want my hug first.
Hey.
Okay, then, Herm Bags, what's up? What? Damn, nigga, damn, Damon. Calm down, nigga. Strong ass.
Hey.
Cousin Herm. That's Herm Bags. That Herm Bags right there. That's Babs right there.
Come here now.
That's Babs.
Yeah, the baddest. Yeah, back up for him.
Pop your shit, twin. Pop your shit. All right. Damon, are you a music lover? I say sad. I'm on that nigga head right now.
We went to Mexican before we came here.
Y'all went well?
Mexican.
You seen that? Oh, you seen that? Oh, you seen that? Oh, you seen that? My baby at the house right now. She chilling. You feel me? Family friendly function event.
You made it.
Sad moment right now. My cousin right there. My uncle. Yeah, man. How they realize that nigga? How the hell you got on that sweater, boy? I'm on your ass, boy. It ain't hot, nigga. The weather is hot. Ty, what's up, girl? Hey, cousin. What's up, cousin? So that epic moment. Where them kids at? Boy, bring your big ass here, boy. That nigga, they big as hell, boy. On my mama. Boy, you big as hell, boy.
Where you got that from?
Big as hell, twin. I get on your ass, boy. Fuck you talking
Where he got that from?
about.
Where he got that joint from?
What? Oh, I don't know what he got.
He said he got it from you.
Oh, he talking about when I be getting them out the store, that's some icebox margaritas. Them songs, they be smacking. I should have got me.
Why you got that hot jacket on?
That's what I'm saying, man. You making me hot.
Dang, you got that hot jacket on.
Hey, Herm, you dress like a vampire. Boy, I'm on your ass, boy. You dress like a vampire, boy. I'm on your ass, boy. You do. Boy, that nigga here. Yeah. Cousin Ty, what's up, girl? Where your brother at? One more. I ain't seen him.
He was going to pull up.
She lying.
I don't know.
I need some more. I need roll. I need roll me some more weed because I can't do this shit. I'm tripping. We had the balloon release right now. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we out here. Cousins, brothers, nieces, nephews, everybody out here. Balloon release. Okay. Damn, that nigga Herm. Damn, Herm. Damn, so a doctor, that bastard. There's a lot of y'all out here, though. That cousin right there. That cousin. That big bro. That little bro.
Put me in the vlog.
That's my sister.
Yeah.
Back up, Papa. Back up, Papa. Leah. Hey, Leah.
Hello. Why you have to say that's my sister? You ain't say mine with a whole bunch of energy. Lolo, get your balloon.
All right, you always gotta be like that. We not doing that.
Hey.
I know that. Hey, little baby, come here.
What the other thing?
Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna come over there and pop your balloon. And my sister Shakoya.
Why you ain't answer the phone when I had called you?
That nigga don't never want to answer the phone. Nobody, man. He don't write, do no postcard, nothing, man. Why you mad, nigga?
There go your daddy calling y'all. There go your niece.
Who? Hey, how you doing, baby? What's up? You can't, not these. Not these. You can't get one of these. No. Oh, you can't get one of these. These the real deal. These the real ones here. Trying to take my balloons. She tried to take my star.
35mm pendant that adds just the right bend. 18 inches length, hugs your neck beautifully. It's so versatile.
Okay, so everybody come closer, please.
Don't be loyal. Now it's car insurance anyway. If you
What's up, man? What's going on? It's some fine shit out here. I don't even know if they're my cousins. I don't think they is.
Everybody be quiet, please.
That's a friend right there, because I know most of them.
Oh, she said go ahead. Okay, so in the mirror of my closet, we're gonna release this balloon on my count, okay?
Oh God.
You need a balloon.
That's just so mean.
Everybody got a balloon. Everybody got a balloon. Let's release that balloon.
So I let me
I
go.
bet they pop out on
Now you got about 50 balloons over there.
Yeah.
I gotta work on the weekend.
Here you go. Yeah. I'm glad you could.
Everybody got a balloon?
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on a second.
Oh, mine is stuck. I stuck my wrist.
Okay, 1.
It's stuck.
Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right.
All right, go, baby boy.
R.I.P, bro. Why you trying to
No, I was trying to throw it up there because they had a slow start.
stop around your wrist?
They had a slow start. I had to throw it up there. That's for my brother. So in other words, you know what he would have wanted me to do.
Oh, let me. You all in the camera.
No more pain and no more sorrow.
That's definitely what he would have wanted.
Wish it was more time I could borrow some tears roll down when I think of your face. Oh,
I don't think everybody out here are family. Like some of them like friends. You know they say family and friends. But some of these friends, they don't know. I don't. But everybody, my chain got stuck to you. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh my god.
My chain got stuck to you. Okay, my bad. My little sister in there. This little sister right here in there.
Yeah.
Show us some love. She's why I'm showing her love. Man, he'll be going there like Martin and Gina. No, Martin and Pam. There you go. Martin and Pam. That's what we doing. I had to because you the one I seen you rolling, so I'm like, keep it rolling, twin. It's the fact that everybody's just sitting there looking at the balloon like they gone now. Look, just look at some of them. I know, but I'm saying, just look at some of them.
Good night, Patty. Hey, girl. Hey.
Huh? I know we don't know all these. I don't even know half of them. They say family and friends. Some of these is friends.
That's my other siblings.
Okay,
Oh.
say low battery.
One thing y'all know about my son, I love y'all. Thank y'all. I mean, all support. Best I can't even say no more. Thank y'all.
That's the older people section over there. Oh, the younger people. Boy, that's still a little straight through that. Boy, that's still a little right there. Boy, I'm on in there, boy.
Baby Ruby.
Nigga, tonight.
Bubble wrap.
Oh, you heard me? That's still a little. I was on the nigga head then. I was on the nigga head. I'll be on your head, boy. She feisty as hell.
Who said I talk white?
Somebody say you talk white.
Yeah. Who said that? I don't know.
Everybody get up this hill. We about to take this picture, make it look good. And make sure y'all don't step on my forces. He brand new, baby. Ah. Yeah, I need everybody up. Let's get them together. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, y'all get it together. Y'all look good. I'm a sibling.
Hey, everybody,
Mind your business.
y'all some folks got to get in the front now.
Oh, have mercy. All right.
Come on in. Come on in.
Yeah. Can we? Yeah. Make some room for the camera. Let me stop. Let me get in here. I do.
Why you?
Oh, come on, little bro.
You're not finna come in your little brother.
My bad.
Okay, we need
Look at Shanker Jr. Lord help a lot.
She mean.
You sound like your daddy.
She mean in the hell. I thought we were supposed to say twin or something.
Rest in peace, twin.
That's right. That's
Rest in peace.
Oh, this is me. Oh,
Look at the body. Oh, I didn't know.
Oh, look like that? Yeah. Look at me. Good for later on. What?
Hey y'all, welcome to our vlog. Yeah.
Tight shit.
So we out here.
R.I.P to my brother, man. No, you little sister. Little
I know about
sister.
that.
Little sister. That's big brother or big
Let
bro.
me show you how to angle it. Yeah.
Like that? That's how you want me to angle it?
Yeah.
Okay, twin. Okay, twin. Okay, twin. Hey, how you doing? No.
Hey to the camera. That's what you want to say.
My hey to the vlog.
look at y'all, your brother, sister.
Yeah, I bet even no half on.
Oh, you even have that.
Yeah, I bet no half
Well,
on.
you need to know I love you.
Don't worry about it, gone. There's my daddy right here. Just pop a tea.
Yeah, I'm the one that did this, baby. He came out my nut sack.
Hey, baby, I got this in my hand. I ain't gonna do that. Not on this. She'll want to be up under you right now. Huh, go over there. It's a video.
How you put the camera?
No, it's already. It's.
Hold on, what y'all gotta get there for it now?
Oh, yeah, don't go over there. Flip the camera. Go over there. My bad. We're sorry.
Mom, they can't see me. Alright.
I really was just.
Let me see.
I was just smoking.
And
Really.
then he got a video. He didn't even know.
I'm saying it still don't matter. Like to get a good video. There ain't nothing some love right there. I tricked Herman to being the cameraman. Yeah. I tricked Herman. Girl, you're a superstar. You taking pictures. I ain't taking no pictures. I ain't taking no pictures, but I'm just going. I got you, twin. I got you.
The recording be better. Raw footage. Like you said. I got all these things.
Photo bomb.
Mom! Oh my God, she said.
They ain't had to kick me out like that. Y'all ain't had to do me like that. I think about 3 people hit me. Huh? Oh damn, I didn't even know you had one in your hand.
Oh my God.
Whole family out here. Love you, Stank. I don't know what type of music that is playing. Who playing the music? Fire the DJ! Fire the DJ! Play the Rod Wave. Iron bags. That shit going out on me. I can't deal with that. Can I get it now?
Yeah, come on. Okay, ready?
Hey, man.
Why your mouth was wide open like that?
I want everybody to see my goal. They see.
You never met all your children before. You be like, damn, I got a big face.
Yeah, I ain't never seen all these people out here. This a real deal black squad.
Yes, with the white shirt on. What it is over there with the white shirt on?
White shirt with red. Look.
Yeah, on the right. On the other side of you. Right there.
Oh, my cousin. That Angela. Why?
I ain't know who he was.
You don't? That Angela.
Yeah, all these people want to fit him on the church. Yeah.
What y'all gonna do after this?
You said all these people want to fit in Grandma Church. All right, man. All right,
Hold on, man.
yeah. You be safe on that road.
All right, man.
Don't do that.
I don't.
Grandma loves us.
Oh, you was live. Why you?
All in there.
Come on, man.
All in there. All in there. That's why sometimes you got to watch what go on when this shit be going on. Now. I don't know who them people is. Wait a minute.
What big girl is that?
I'm at my worst, but I would never show it. It's simple.
The big
They
girl.
did me dirt, but I would
No,
never
ain't
hold
big
it
girls out
against
here.
them. I'm having problems showing God that I'm really thankful. I'm way too fast to beat
What?
the block with all of my chains
I'm big.
on. Not giving in, I'm taking on the pain that I'm
You said
made
what?
for. My
How much
realest
is it?
friends, now they only call
I
me
ain't
for
got it on the
paper.
live.
I'm trying to vent, but by the end they ask for a favor. Judge want me locked away, I had to pray to get a bond. Gang member to the state, but I'm a father to my son. Kept slim so I can make it like I'm ballin' for nothing. No one wanna listen to me unless I go and make a song. So I went and made a song. It goes something like, we tired of dying, we tired of crying. Let the hood say, we tired of dying, we tired of crying. Let the hood say. I'm on this stage, I had to duck the rifles and the choppers. I'm with Cortez, but somehow still ain't got it right with Guala. I don't agree with Toriano, but that's still my partner. Just on the script, he always told me I would be somebody. I was a kid when they killed Fred. I was jail on these killers. Then I got older and noticed it'd be better if I kill him. Mama do whatever she can, but it's hard without no figure. So when she get her income tax, that's when we celebrate Christmas. Till this day, I still call Frederick on the father. Even though I found out that he ain't my pops for real. I'm thankful for that pain, it turned me to a monster. Nigga, in other words, that's what really got me here. I'm still your son, nigga. I swear to God, I bleed this sin shit. I bleed this shark shit. Raised me and slam like we was real brothers. I'm tryna find out who did that to him. Made by rap about it too much. Niggas gon' take it to their headstone. I'm on the top floor with 3 sluts. My baby mama say I'm dead wrong. You know I really can't say much, but I've been aiming at the end song. About you, dog. About you, dog. About you, dog. About you, dog. Now my dog. Now my dog, now my dog. I'm screaming, now my dog. Shy introduced me as her brother, then we end up fucking. I should've kept it in my pants, cause now I lost a friend. The beef was deep around that time, was trying to cross McCann. This before the money, Jalen Pruitt had a kid. At this time, I don't even think Lil E was popping pills. This before Lil Michael P. Ryan hit the NFL. They tell Shanae I'm growing up, I'm finally being fair. I bought you so many problems, tell Jack I asked about it. We come from a small city, my brother had my position. I never will hold against you, I never will hold against you. Heard Lil Brian caught about it. Imagine that when we was sitting in front of Poobie house. Wonder why I sit in silence, cause it's some shit that I ain't get to talk to Duke about. Never thought that Jade would move on, but girl, that nigga better treat you right. And I get this feeling I'm alone, just like up under tail lights.